Hi everyone, I'm Kieron Dean. I'm a Principal Solution Consultant in ServiceNow's IT Asset Management practice. I'm going to be joining our partner, Softline Solutions, at their virtual ITAM Maturity Workshop, which is coming up on December the 3rd. I'm going to be talking about some of the trends that we're seeing in the IT asset management market, and also showcasing some of ServiceNow's capabilities around IT asset management and how we can deliver value into other IT functions on the ServiceNow platform. This workshop is for end users, so if you'd like to join us next week, then please use the registration link in this post, and I'm looking forward to speaking with you at the event. Thank you.